National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for King County in northeastern Illinois until 11 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Genoa to near Hampshire to near Sycamore to near Cortland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hunley, Campton Hills, Pingree Grove, Hampshire, Elburn, Maple Park, and Lily Lake around 10:30 p.m. Elgin, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Geneva, South Elgin, and Gilbert's around 10:35 p.m. Aurora, Bartlett, Algonquin, Batavia, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, West Dundee, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, and Wayne around 10:40 p.m. West Chicago and Barrington Hills around at 10:45 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows,